LW Cole is a fourth generation family-led business, and we've been around since 1944 when we sold our first radiogram, and we've come a long way since then to have sold 100,000 appliances in the past year. Over the past 7 years, our business has quadrupled in size. That level of significant growth brings about significant challenges. We reviewed lots of financial products before we ended up around the table discussing Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct ticked all the boxes.
The two key things for me that really attracted me to it was how powerful the reporting was. All the dimensional reporting, the live dashboards, the ability to customise reports. But in terms of the finance team specifically, they all love it. It's been quite a transition for them, moving from such an archaic system. I used to spend a whole day at month end doing the board reports, so now it's now instant.
My favourite feature is by far and away the dashboards that give me accessibility to everything that's key about the business, all the main key KPIs, all the sales data, all the profit and loss data. Anything I need is on my dashboards and I don't have to go far to find what I need.
So I would definitely recommend Sage Intacct specifically. I have a background in consultancy, so I've popped around everywhere and used loads and loads of different systems. It's by far the best that I've ever used.
I think if Sage Intacct got taken out of my hands today, I feel like the business has gone back, a backward step, 20 years.